Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss your final project and I'm going to brief you about it, like what we are supposed to do in your final project. So I'm sure all of you have used Instagram before, and I mean, like, it must be like, let's say, you have uploaded 400 or 500 photos, and now you want to have a copy of each photo in on your PC or somewhere. So what are you going to do? Don't tell me you're going to open each photo and then you're going to download them separately, using your phone. So what do you suggest? Like, what can we do now? So the task at hand is that we are going to develop a scrapper. And develop a scrapper for for downloading images from Instagram for any user with who you're friends with, or I mean, like, who has open privacy, like, you can access their profile openly. So the like how we can go about this, I'm just going to give you an overview. So the first thing you do is you will log in into Instagram, and then you will say data miner 2060. I mean, these are the credentials I'm using, and I'll provide them with to you, but you can also use your own account if you want to. Okay, so I'm going to log in now. So this is what you're supposed to do. You're going to log into Instagram, then you're going to open your own profile. Okay, you're going to open your own profile. You're going to see like how many photos are here. So here there are 30 photos, but if I scroll down, you see I don't get the 30 photos at once. So I have to click this load more button. After doing that, I have to scroll down because not all the photos are present. Ajax is being used here. So then I scroll down, and after I'm done with that, after all the photos have been loaded, what I do is, I download them. I download each photo, and with that, I also want to get the status for each photo, like the caption for each photo. So like, this is the caption here. This is the caption here, Milky Way. I also want that. So this is what we're supposed to do in, like, for the final project. So um like, or like the user, it can give any username. Okay, it could be like your own username, I mean, like the one who's using it. So like, if he wants to get his images and stuff, he can do that. Like, it can be anyone's username, like, but the privacy should be open for that person who's accessing like, their Instagram. So let's say, like, if you are going to use like, let's say you want to download my Instagram photos, but we are not friends on Instagram. My privacy is private. You can't download them. So you actually need to be friends there, or like you need to follow them. Okay, and they have to give you access. So if that's done, then you can download their images. But we'll stick with downloading our own images right now. Okay, so this is what this, like, your final project is about. And uh, I wish to use the object-oriented programming approach for doing this. There'll be many things we'll learn along the way, many more things that yet, like, many little things that we haven't really covered. So I'll see you soon in, like, in the solution videos. Thank you very much.